Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes session 2021-22. So let's start this video. Today we will discuss memory units. Means in previous video you will know about memory, but how to measure the memory. So discuss in this video memory units. Definition. Question: what is computer data units? Computer data unit is a unit for measuring computer memory. Computer data unit is a unit for measuring data unit. Means how to measure computer memory. Means how many memory are remaining and how many memory used. So you can use through data units. Means computer data unit is a unit of measuring computer memory. Memory. Here storage devices use the unit of memory cards like flash, floppy disk, zip disk, CD-RW, CDR, DVD-RW means rewritable, DVD-R, storage tab, smart media, removable hard disk, micro drive and memory stick. All these are types of memory. But how to measure? So discuss here. What is bit? This is the most important part of system. First we know about what is bit. Computers circuit need power of electricity power mode on and off. The on and off is a bit in electricity. Means on is 1 bit, off is also 1 bit. Because the computer are store data in the form of electricity. In the electricity also called the bit, and only two value in bit, 0 and 1 means on and off. Off means on and off. On means 0 and off means 1. It means bit is the smallest unit of a computer memory, because memory is stored in the form of electricity means on and off form. So bit is the smallest unit of a computer. Next one is what is nibble. Nibble storage unit. Nibble is also a storage unit, and half a byte means 4 bits is called a nibble. 4 bits is called the nibble. Means you can say that ki 1 nibble equal to 4 bit. 1 nibble equal to 4 bit. Means half of a byte is called a nibble. Means 4 bits is called a 1 nibble. And after that, what is byte? Byte is also storage unit. In computer system are all information mentioned in byte format data display on screen. Bit or byte both are different form, and 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Means byte is a storage unit, and in a computer system all information stored in the form of byte, and 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Here some confusion, the sign of bit and byte. What is bit and byte? Bit represents small letter of B and byte represents the capital letter of B. Here this is the bit and this one is the byte. Next one is the kilobyte. 1024 bytes equal to 1 KB. In short form of kilobyte is KB, and 1 KB equal to 1024 bytes. Here some notes. A kilobyte या KB is approximately a thousandth byte, actually to the power 10th या decimal 1024 bytes means to the power 10 is called the 1 KB. Means to the power 10 when you solve to the power 10, then you find 1024 bytes. Megabyte, after that bit, nibble, byte, kilobyte and megabyte. 1024 kilobyte equal to 1 MB. MB means megabyte. As it is measure of computer process, storage and real and virtual memory, a megabyte means to the power 20 power, means in kilobyte to the power 10 and megabyte to the power 20. So you can find 1024 kilobyte. Next one, the gigabyte. 1024 megabyte equal to 1 gigabyte, in short form GB. And gigabyte pronouns a byte, which are G is a memory of computer data storage capacity and roughly a billions byte. Gigabytes have same to the power 30. To the power 30, then you find 1024 megabyte. Next one, the terabyte. 1024 gigabyte equal to 1 TB, in short form TB, terabyte. And as it is same, this is also terabyte is a measure of the computer storage capacity, means now present time 1 terabyte available in all types of computer memory. And here in a form of power to the power 40. To the power 40 you find 1024 gigabyte. So 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte. Next one is the petabyte. 1024 terabyte equal to 1 petabyte, in short form PB. 1024 terabyte equal to 1 petabyte. A petabyte measure of memory or storage capacity and its power of 2 to the power of 50. To the power of 50, then you find approximately 1024 terabyte equal to 1 petabyte. 1024 terabyte equal to 1 petabyte. And after that, hexabyte. 1024 petabyte equal to 1 hexabyte. And here in the form of power to the power 16th, here to the power 16 byte, you can find 1024 petabyte equal to 1 hexabyte. Zettabyte. 1024 hexabyte equal to 1 zettabyte, in short form JB, means 1024 hexabyte equal to 1 zettabyte, and a zettabyte is equal to 160 million byte, means to the power 70. To the power 17 you can find 1024 hexabyte equal to 1 zettabyte. Next one, the yottabyte. 1024 zettabyte equal to 1 yottabyte. 1024 zettabyte equal to 1 yottabyte, and 1 yottabyte you can find to the power 18th. To the power 18 you can find 1024 zettabyte, and 1024 zettabyte is called 1 yottabyte. After that, memory unit at a glance. 1 bit 0R1, 8 bits equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes equal to 1 KB, 1024 KB equal to 1 MB, 1024 MB equal to 1 GB, 1024 GB equal to 1 TB is terabyte, 1024 TB equal to 1 PB petabyte, 1024 PB equal to 1 hexabyte, 1024 hexabyte equal to 1 zettabyte, and 1024 zettabyte equal to 1 yottabyte. Means this is the memory unit of computer. Through this you can easily way to measure the unit of memory of computer. After that, homework. Question first, what is computer data unit? Question second, what is bit? Question third, what is byte? Question 4, what is nibble? Question 5, what is MB? Question 6, what is GB? And question 7, what is PB, petabyte. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, call my personal number. Thank you.